So far what we saw how to create signals and how sine, cos, tan and different type of signals you can actually create. So those we saw so far, and now we are going to see how to do figure plot and subplots. So why figure plot and subplot is required? Figure plot and subplot is required so that if we have multiple outputs, multiple graphs, then how we are going to see that one. So that we are going to see now. So first of all we have to declare the range of multiple points, I mean to say. So from 0 to 0 with the gap of 0.01 is to 1, you can give multiple gaps or different configurations you know already. Then b equal to, you have to choose the function. So sine 2 star pi star a, and then we have the plot function, we have to give a comma b. Now what we give labels, x label. So this is x label, then we'll give this to we'll give y label, y axis, then we'll give title, and then we'll give, if you want you can give legend, or you don't want to give, that's your wish. Then grid is also optional, if you want you can give grid on, or your wish, if you don't want you don't give. So that is the output, and then we have to save the output. So likewise we have to give, this is the output of sine. So what output we are getting? We are getting the output as, we have to see, we have to go for change directory, and then you will see that the output will be appearing here. So in figure number 1 we are getting the sine plot. Same way, if you want the plot to be in red color, then we have to give red color, and the output will be coming again. This one. Now second, this was for only one output. If we are getting multiple outputs, so what we are going to do here? These things will be common. Already sine was there. Now we need to create cos. Cos 2 star pi star a. Why we are writing 2 pi a every time? Because we want to see all the possible outputs, like for example 2 pi a. If the a value is what, first value of a is what, 0. So for 2 pi 0, it means that cos 0, right, or sine 0, the value will be the first point. Then 2 pi, what is the next value? 2 into pi into 0.01. So it will be coming 2 into, then for that also some small value will become. So based on that the graph will be keep on plotted. Same way, so we have range, we have function, then we need to plot here. So we have to give figure number 1. Figure number 1. Now a comma b. A comma b is for sine. A comma c for cos. So this time we'll give figure 2 a comma C.
Subscribe for more upcoming content.
We'll give this green, and this will be cos. Now we'll see the output. So this time we are getting figure 1 and figure 2 at a time. Now we want sine, cos, tan. Okay, so again we'll create one more thing, d equal to tan 2 star pi star a. So this is about figure 1, figure 2, and now we want here to create figure 3 for tan. Figure 3, a comma d, and we'll give this black color, and here tan will be coming. Same here also, tan will be coming. Now we'll run the code and see. Okay, so third image will be generated. Okay, so what wrong we did? A comma d should be there. Okay, so we have 3 outputs now. Figure number 1 sine, then figure number 2 that is cos, and figure number 3 is the tan. So these are the 3 ways. This is the way number 1. By using different figure you can get different output. Now we need to study subplot. Subplot is also very easy. You have to create subplot, means in a single image you can see multiple outputs. So for that you have to write subplot. Subplot, we want how many outputs are there? Totally 3 outputs are there. So one complete window, then comma, in that 3 possible outputs, in that first position. Okay, then here subplot, one window, 3 possible outputs, second position. Here one window, 3 possible outputs, third position. And now we'll run the code and see the output. So you can see the output will be like this: 1, 2 and 3, all 3 at a time. So how it looks like? Wait a minute. So like this the output will be coming. So all 3 outputs you can get in a single piece. So sine, cos and tan. So this is called subplot. That was called figure plot. So that's all with this. You have to practice all sine, cos and tan with all sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, everything in different outputs. Thank you. In case you want the output, in that the 2 graphs should be coming in a single image, so you can compare them and see how the output will be coming. So in that case you have to declare the same way. You have to declare the range, and then you have to give what functions you want, trigonometric function of what type, so that you have to write. Then in figure number 1 you can write here figure number 1, you have to write plot a comma b, then x label, y label, legend, whatever you want. That is the same process. Just only one line you have added is hold on. The previous output will be waiting. Then second output we have to print, and then we have to just write this one. So only one line is added here. With this, what effect will happen to the graph is, like, you can just run this one and you can see now both the graphs are coming in a single one. And I have given 2 legend. How I have given here? I have given here as a legend. This one you delete it. So one common legend I have given, legend sine and cos both at a time. So if we run this one, you can see the graph will be appearing like this. So you can compare what is the difference. So this red colored is the sine graph and this green colored is the cos graph. So these are the comparison of two graphs. You can make it by using hold on command.
Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel.